Oh, good morning, Leo. School starts in 1 hour. You are very, very early.
I like it when it's quiet.
What are you working on?
Nothing. It's nothing.
Leo, this fish has a bicycle. This is the best fish I have ever seen. Where is he going?
To school. He's late.
A fish who is late for school. I know that feeling.
It's just a drawing. It's not real school.
Says who? Looks like it's time for class.
Hey, wait up! Okay, coming. Look at this one. Yeah, it's so cool. Is this yours?
Okay, big question. The ship sailed for 3 months. Why did the sailors get sick? Write your answer. 2 more minutes.
He's drawing again. It's a test, not art class.
Hey. Eyes on your own paper, Thomas.
Stupid. I'm so stupid.
Leo, what's the matter?
I knew the answer. I'm not stupid. I see it. In here. But I can't say it. I can't write it.
Then we have a job to do. You and I.
Ralph, how are you doing? How is class?
I'm doing okay, Mr. Frost. What is on your mind?
The inspector comes on Friday, the same day as the big test. Do you understand what that means?
It means Friday is busy?
It means the test scores must be good. All of them. Every class. Every student.
My students work hard. They will be fine.
Not all of them. This boy, Leo, his scores are the lowest in the school. I want to move him to the other class before Friday, before the test.
Move him? You want to hide him?
Ralph, listen to me. If the scores are bad, the inspector writes a bad report. If the report is bad, they take my job. I have a family too, Ralph.
And Leo has a family. They think he's smart. So do I.
Smart students pass tests. That is the rule.
Maybe the rule is too small.
Friday, Ralph. Good scores, or the boy moves. Ralph!
Ralph, you have stirred that soup 40 times. It is mixed.
Sorry, long day.
What happened? Did a kid put a frog in your desk again?
No! That was one time, and honestly, it was a very nice frog. There's a boy in my class, Leo. He is really smart, but the school can't see it. He has a problem writing answers. He draws them.
He draws them? That's so cool! Look, this is my dinner. Soup, spoon, and happy me. 3 pictures. Who needs words?
Eat the real soup, please.
The big test is Friday. The principal wants to hide Leo. Sadly, the test is only writing. Leo will freeze, I know he will.
So the test only speaks one language. And the boy speaks another. Then don't change the boy, Ralph. Change the lesson.
Change the lesson. Tamara, you are a genius.
Mom is the best!
Am I in trouble?
Yes, big trouble, terrible trouble, the worst trouble. We're going to draw.
Draw? In school?
New rule in this classroom. You can answer any way you want. Words, pictures, interpretive dance, I don't care.
Interpretive dance?
Please, not interpretive dance. I tried once. A child cried.
Okay. Pictures.
Pictures. Question 1. The sailors. 3 months at sea. Why did they get sick?
They had a 3-month trip. They had bread and meat, but no fruit, nothing fresh. So their bodies got weak. The sailors got sick. They needed this. Fruit.
Leo. Do you know what you just did?
Got it wrong?
Wrong? No. You drew the whole answer. Every step. You just drew it instead of writing it. A tank loses 3 buckets every hour. When is it empty?
Easy. Draw the tank. Take away the buckets. 1 hour, 2, 3, then count them. And empty. Right there.
That is exactly how you drew it this morning.
Because that's how I see it.
Next one, go! Yes,
And the idea here. I knew all of that.
you always knew it. Now we can see it.
Can the test see it?
Leo, tomorrow, I want you to show the whole class. The drawing. Everyone should see how you think.
The whole class?
They will love it. Trust me. Okay, everyone. Leo is going to show us something, a new way to answer. Come on up, Leo. Same as yesterday. Just draw it. The river question. Go ahead.
The river. It. Come on already. Today, please.
What even is that?
Hey! That is enough!
I can't.
Leo, it's okay. Just
You said they would love it. You said. I knew it was stupid. I let you make me believe it wasn't.
wait, please. Leo.
Leave me alone.
I messed up.
A parent called. About this morning. A boy. Crying. Laughed at. In your class. Because you made him draw at the board.
That's not what happened.
Isn't it? Ralph, I think you care. I do. But look what your new way did. You broke him in front of everyone. Your way hurts children. My way is safer. On Friday, the boy takes the normal test. Writing only. Or he moves. And honestly, Ralph, after today, maybe that's kinder.
I understand, sir. Maybe Frost is right. I pushed too hard. The boy was fine being quiet, and I put him up there. I made it worse.
Did you make him smart? Or did you just believe he was?
I believed it so much that he got hurt.
Ralph, it was the laughing that hurt him. He can live with one bad day at the board, but he cannot live thinking that the one teacher who believed in him gave up too.
He told me to leave him alone.
Children say that. It means, please don't.
You're right. This cannot end this way. I'll call his mom to speak with him on my way to the grocery store. Mrs. Smith, can I speak to Leo, please?
He's not home, he's at the library.
Would you mind if I stopped by and spoke to him? It's about the test.
Of course not. You're his favorite teacher.
Really? He said that? Okay, I'm on my way now.
He did. Have a great evening, Mr. Ralph.
Hello, Leo. Your mom said you were here. She also said you've scribbled out half your notebook.
Drawings are stupid. You were wrong.
Maybe I was wrong to put you up there before you were ready. That's my mistake, not yours.
They laughed.
I know. Tell me about this fish, the one you didn't scratch out.
Fish can't ride bikes. Everyone knows. Nobody told him. So he rides.
They laughed at the fish too, Leo. The first time anyone draws something true, somebody laughs. The question is not do they laugh. The question is do you keep riding?
I don't know if I can.
Then don't do it for them. Don't even do it for me. Do it for him.
You should still wear a helmet.
Yeah, he should.
Big day, Dad. big day. How do you feel?
Great. Fantastic. Totally calm.
And your jacket is inside out.
And I have one brown shoe and one white shoe.
It's a new style. Very bold. A+.
Ralph, look at me. You did the work. The boy did the work. Now you go, and you trust him.
And if Frost was right?
He won't be. Watch, Frost will learn something too. It is a school after all.
For Leo, don't read it. It's private.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome. You will see our scores are very good. Very, very good.
I'm sure.
Okay, everyone. Turn over your papers. Read, think, and try your best. Begin.
He wears a helmet now. He is ready. Are you?
Nobody can do question 5. Nobody.
Shh. Eyes down.
Keep writing.
Let's see the damage. One, 2, 3. It's 12. It's 12. I never saw it like that.
I can explain. I can write it properly.
No, don't change a single line. Ralph, you were right.
Time's up. Pencils down.
Principal Frost, I just watched a head teacher learn a math problem from a 10-year-old's drawing. In 30 schools this year, that is the best thing I have seen.
So did I. Learn it, I mean. I did.
How did you solve it? Show me how to think like that. I'm sorry I laughed before.
It's okay. It's water under the bridge. Come on Monday before class, and I'll teach you.
You've got a deal!
Let's get going. It's time for the weekend.
Madam Inspector, I take full responsibility. The rules were broken in my school and…
Principal Frost, your school let a child show his mind in his own way. Most schools are too afraid to try something new. My report will say one word many times. Excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent. Send me that boy's drawings, all of them.
I thought I knew what smart was. A child drew me a picture and I understood something I never could. I was afraid of the wrong thing this whole time, Ralph.
I know the feeling. Your office is still very gray, though.
You're right. Maybe I'll buy a plant. I've still got so much to learn, Ralph.
Don't we all, sir?
I can't draw! My horse looks like a sad potato!
Doesn't matter. The test can't see pretty. Create a character, then follow him. That's all there is to it.
Whoa, Dad, your wall is amazing.
The kids made it.
Can I add one? Please, please, please? There. Now it's perfect.
Mr. Ralph, I have a present for you.
It's a beautiful plant, Principal Frost.
It is still gray-green. Don't get too excited. Have a great class today.
Okay, who's next? Hard questions only.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more A2 level slow English stories and shadowing practice. See you in the next one.